spinning. Look at that. Look how fast that thing is. Guys, do you think that is a plane? Look at this thing. Look how much distance it's covering. Guys, look at this. Just zips to a stop. Oh, it turns a little bit and whips it again. Like, dude, that's not normal. That's not a plane. There it is by the tower. We just went by. Dude. Alright, y'all, pay attention to that. Look at that thing, dude. That is not a plane or a helicopter, guys. I mean, it looks like one, but dude, it is just stopping. That's an orb, dude. See, it just stopped. It just stopped, guys. It's directly, it just stopped. Look at this. That's one of them orbs, dude. One of them crafts. Sunbury, Ohio. Look at the way it's lighting up. Guys, it's stopping. Come on. Okay, I think you guys clearly can tell that's not a plane because they don't just stop like that. More mystery orbs, guys. Mystery drones. I seen it flying in the daylight earlier, but I thought it was just some like random, you know, personal drone, like Public's drone. It was really small. Really small. I could just barely hear it at work. That's why I didn't film it, because I was actually on like a little smoke break. I didn't have enough time to get out and actually film, like out of the building or out of the way of the building to film. But dude, I 100% seen a drone during the daylight today. It's been extremely foggy here in Ohio. Look, it just started up again. Guys, what the hell is that? Once again, it seems pretty damn intelligent, because as I speak on it, talk about it, this is what you're seeing with me. The way it's moving. It's like it knows I'm talking about it and filming it. Totally a mystery craft. Totally one of the orbs, or the drones, or whatever you want to call it. That is 1000% one. You can clearly tell. Look at the way it is moving. Look at that. Just like the first clips, guys. It like got behind trees like it was hiding. Like it knows it's being actively watched. That's insane. How? How? What kind of technology allows you to have that type of there's all kinds of crap moving around up here in the sky tonight. I don't know where it went. You guys seen that, dude? It started over here by that cell phone tower. Look, just so you guys can see. Look. There's that cell tower. That's why I knew it wasn't part of the tower. It was flashing green. I'm like, dude, what the hell is that? Right beside the tower. And then it goes launching around. All the way around. There's another tower over here. But I knew it wasn't towers, dude. I knew it was not a tower. The color of it, the way it was doing that, you could just tell. You could tell that was one of those crafts, mystery drones or whatever you want to say. I could tell just by literally looking at it. There it is. There it is. crazy is right now here in Sunbury, Ohio, there's this event taking place at like downtown Sunbury, which is like, they call it the square because it's like a square little town village, right? There's actually a big event kind of going on down there. Screaming at the square or singing at the square or something like that. And so like all these people are down there right now. And this is what's taking place above Sunbury, right above their very heads. I wonder how many people are actually seeing and filming this. Sorry about that. The whiplash camera. Look, see, right when I start filming, it moves again. Look at this. It's hiding behind the tree, guys. Like, it literally knows I'm filming it. Look at that. Okay, look at that shit. Are you kidding? And let it go. That is not a fucking plane. I'm being looked at like a psychopath. I don't even care. This is crazy. Once again, Mystery Drone Central OH. As you know, front row seats, guys. Front row seats. I tell you all the time. And look how foggy it's getting, dude. Spinning. Look at that. Look how fast that thing is. Guys, do you think that is a plane? Look at this thing. Look how much distance it's covering. Guys, look at this. Just zipped to a stop. Oh, it turns a little bit and whips it again. Like, dude, that's not normal. That's not a plane. There it is by the tower. We just went by. Dude, guys, what the F is that? Once again. What the hell is that? Glitching out in the sky over there. Where'd you go, you bastard? I don't know if that's him or not. All I know is it's getting really, really foggy. Your front row seats to the apocalypse and end time signs. Apparently, I mean, I didn't choose that, but for some reason it was chosen for me. I don't think I can handle it, but people tell me God doesn't give you battles you can't handle. I really don't feel like I can handle this, guys. This is like a full-blown catastrophe I don't want to play with. And before someone tries to say, no, it was not a lens flare, I think you guys seen the amount of movement and stop and goes that took place. There we be. So this looks like a plane, guys, but that was what that thing looked like. See, this is a plane. Green and red. Starboard and you see how the colors are? There's one on each side. It's not like red, green, like that drone was.
The aliens, I swear.
Dude. And that's that plane still, guys. See how the lights are still separated? That's what that plane looks like. No sudden stopping movements. He's right there. Slowly cruising to the left.